this is Sandbaggy. In this video we're going to be comparing our round top staples compared with our square top staples that we sell. We sell both. Now the difference and the reason why we sell our round top staple is because they're used primarily for drip irrigation. So if we look over here, this is a round top staple installed versus over here is the square top staple. The square top staple works, but it's just not the perfect application for drip tubing. Compared with round top staples where it's a perfect application, the tube won't move, so it's a perfect use of the product. Now, round top staples can also be used for fabrics, such as jute netting when you have to install that on hillsides, as well as for fabric, standard landscape fabric. Although for landscape fabric, it is better to use the square top because it would be more flush.